Okay, so guys, i-shade po natin yung kanilang fur or balahibo. Wala pong magkapareho ng black stripe na tiger. Kagaya po ng fingerprints ng mga tao. Okay, if you can see their eyes from yellow turns green, it means that they're ready to attack. Okay, tigers is the largest among the wild cats. And sila po ay excellent swimmers. Even with their prey po, they can swim. And aside from being an excellent swimmer, excellent hunters din po ang mga tigers during nighttime because this kind of animal is a nocturnal animal po. Mas active po sila kapag gabi. Yung kanila po mga mata, 7 times clearer po yan than humans, lalo na po kapag gabi. Okay, so yung mga magkakasama po sa isang enclosure, yun po yung sabay-sabay na lumaki. Kapag hinalo po yan sa kabilang enclosure, mag-aaway-aaway po yan, and sad to say, magpapatayan po sila. Okay, yung mga tigers here in Zurich Safari are being fed 7 to 10 kilos of chicken, each tiger every day po. So, bawat isa po niya, maintenance nila 10 kilos of chickens po. Okay, tigers can give birth up to 6 cubs, maximum na po yun, and they can live 18 to 22 years in the wild, but 25 years naman po in captivity. Okay po, yung mga footprints po ng tigers, tinatawag pong pug marks yan, at yung mga babies po, they're foot cubs. Again, that are crossbreed of Siberian and Bengal tigers. Sige po, proceed na po tayo sa ating bus.
Madali lang mo? Hindi.